driving along, quite happy, and you notice this speed limit sign here, 40 miles per hour. But there's something different about it. Notice it's in a black circle. Also notice the 300-yard countdown marker below the sign. As we carry on down the road, we notice another black 40-mile-an-hour speed limit sign, this time with a 200 yards marker. So, what is this telling us? Well, it's counting us down to a lower speed limit of 40 miles per hour. Here's the final sign. Notice this one though is in a red circle. And then, further 100 yards down the road, we have the actual change to 40 miles per hour. For a road sign to be enforceable, it must be in a red circle. So the first two signs we saw, in black circles, are not a law. It's just strongly advising us to slow down due to an upcoming speed limit change. But the last sign, at the 100-yard marker in a red circle, is enforceable. So if you're going over 40 miles an hour past this sign, you could be pulled over by the police.